Made it to Grand Marais. Just gonna get us some breakfast here, and then we're gonna take the canoe out. We're gonna go to the Boundary Waters.
Can I hold it?
Okay. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Breakfast time.
And look at this.
What am I looking at?
French toast and jam, some bacon, eggs.
Ooh, that looks good. All right, Mom. That looks good.
This looks good.
That looks good. All right, time to head to the Boundary Waters. Let's go. The truck has been parked. The canoe is loaded. The kids are ready to go. I'm ready to go. Surprisingly, this is my first time in the Boundary Waters. I don't know why it's taken this long, but same with Carrie, first time, and I'm really looking forward to it. We always used to go, out to Colorado and go backpacking instead of coming up here, and so now we've got all that equipment and we'll just use it up here, and picked up a canoe off Craigslist for a decent price, and so we didn't have to rent, and it'll pay for itself. So we're excited. It's gonna be a good time. Looking forward to it. I mean, look at this. All right, the canoe is loaded down. You ready?
Yeah. Daddy, can I eat my salad on the way?
Yes.
Can you wave? Here we go. We're off. We're off on an adventure. First few paddles away from shore. Here goes nothing.
There it goes.
Oh, look at the beaver. Yeah. See him? See the beaver? Our first wildlife sighting. He's kind of hard to see against the rocks up there, but I see a beaver. Got two sleepy girls here, and we're just about to enter the Boundary Waters.
Let's go canoeing.
Let's go canoeing?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go camping!
All right, let's go! Yay!
You know you can't do that one.
And we got a sleeper. Now to find a campsite, because all of our options so far have found nothing. So everything's full. Great. Well, we found a site. It's tough landing, but it's up on this rock and it is beautiful. The adventure to go find the potty.
Right here.
Quite the potty spot. Right next to this big rock. On the top of the island here. Right up from the potty. I gotta go help Peanut get up here. Alright, come this way. Good job. Good job.
And look at as I climb and step.
And then look at the view from up here. It is pretty. My little climber.
Well, like a little helper.
Yeah. Should we go set up the tent?
Then I got play kiddo shop with Papa. Well, you guys have the tent, and I got some flowers for Mommy and Papa.
Okay.
And for Daddy too.
Oh, thank you. Well, when we went backpacking, they were so helpful in setting up the tent. Not so much this time, but that's okay. They are having a good time over there playing already, as they do at campsites. They love it.
Yeah. All right.
It's another wildlife sighting. I think we got a grouse. There's another 4 over there.
Where?
There's 7 of them. Is that cool?
Yeah. Come on, come to me. Can I go and see them? Where is he trying to go? I think.
Yeah, he's...
I think he's going to find the rest of them.
You making a barbecue?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, look at all this firewood you guys got.
Yeah, but one is picklewood. This is picklewood.
Picklewood?
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
We're so busy.
You're so busy?
We have a lot to do.
Yeah, you guys are busy over here. Well, Mom and Dad are busy over there doing the stuff.
Yeah, but I don't do the hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
So
cooking
what are you doing?
And
You're cooking barbecue? Oh, cool.
then first you put this on there. Then. And then you go. That's how you make barbecue.
Oh, good job. How much does it cost?
$2.
$2? Okay, here you go, $2.
Thanks. Here's your barbecue.
Thank you.
And I'll make one for your wife.
Oh, thank you.
Me too. Come on, guys. It's a long ways to hike. Come on.
All right, where are we going?
Let's hit a trail.
All right.
Let's go up to the mountain. Head up. Hit the trail, guys. Yeah, get up there.
All right, Daddy's going. We're climbing up.
Let's
Go eat some lunch and a snack up top. Good job, Peanut.
Good job, honey.
These are like stepping stones, but might be careful.
Way to go.
Good job.
Step on. Come on, you can do it. Step up. Ready, and then climb. Then first, you step on here. Step on here. Step on here. Then step here. There.
Good job.
Good job.
I teach.
Good job. Good job, Mace.
Way to go.
There you go. Good job, Dad. You made it up.
Mommy's eating, and then the kids are exploring.
Papa, stay right there. I'm coming.
The little explorers over here. What'd you guys find?
This rocky.
Oh.
And it's what is it called again?
I don't know.
Some quartz or granite? Oh yeah, some quartz inside of the granite. Our grouse friends are pretty unfazed. They're just hanging out down here. One's even laying down. And the girls are playing right here.
Okay, get some barbecue and some carrots.
Everybody else slept on the way up here, so Dad is tired. And so luckily I get a nap now. Definitely worth waking up at 3 a.m. and getting on the road a little after 4. Definitely worth it, because I mean, look at this. Not a bad spot for a nap. Well, time to get some water. No more pumping. Oh no, the inspector's here. You inspecting the water?
Mm-hmm.
Does it all check out?
Not yet. I need to check it out first if the water's gone.
Oh, it's almost done.
Is the water letting come on?
The official water tester is testing the water. How is it?
Good.
Good? Is it approved?
Yes, it's open.
Mushroom stroganoff for supper tonight. And the kids are sliding on a rock. The entertainment.
Here we go. Don't want nature.
Not a bad supper spot up here.
Mom,
I'll take it. How about you?
Yes.
you might have to share these two. Okay. Okay, Dad. Keep this one until I say it's your turn.
All right. What game is this?
For the firework.
For the fireworks?
Yeah. Oh, and I need one more extra. Yeah, here's my kid.
Okay. Show me how this game works.
First, you throw it down on. If it touches that ground, then you win.
Okay.
So Mom's turn, and then when I say it's your turn, you get to go. Papa's turn. Mommy.
Bye bye.
Mommy already went.
But I have going to give you more. Ready? Now we're going to play Flow the Flag.
How is it, girls?
Good.
Waiting seconds? Oh.
Wow, the wind's picking up. Hey, Tommy! Look at me. I have learned.
Good job.
But I have never tried this before, so that's why I haven't learned, but this is my first time showing it. I'm doing it too.
Good job, girls.
I'm trying to get down.
I was walking down here earlier and saw this tree. I must have blown over in the fire, but it took these big rocks with it in the roots. Pretty crazy. What are you doing, Peanut?
Pulling cannons at the knee. But you can't melt us, right?
They're protecting the queen.
We're trying to protect the queen, but we can't protect the
Lovely dumb moment.
We are stuck.
But at least we get to sit down
Yeah.
for a second. So there's that. Don't think we're gonna get much of a sunset tonight. A little windy, that's alright. Still pretty.
Over this way.
So we're just hanging out by the water and enjoying the evening.
Daddy,
Are you having fun?
yeah, but Daddy, can we just watch the water?
Yeah, we can just watch the water. That sounds fun. Alright, say goodnight.
Good night. Good night.
Well, didn't sleep too bad last night. Got a little rain and pretty nice. We'll see what the day holds today. Maybe a little more rain, but that's alright. We're prepared, so it's just nice to be up here. Just sitting here enjoying some mangoes, waiting for our water to boil. And there are some loons out there somewhere. How's the oatmeal, kiddo? Good? How is it, Maggie?
Good.
Good? Good. Quite a place to eat breakfast from, huh? How was your oatmeal, Mom?
Delicious.
You like the spot for breakfast?
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Good job.
I'm gonna help.
There were some otters out here, but by the time I got my camera, they were gone. There's the otters out playing. Just hanging around camp today. We'll see. It's starting to lighten up a little bit, so maybe we'll go out for a little paddle here, but I figured I'd show you around our campsite a little bit here since I didn't do that yesterday. So over here, we've got our tarp set up in case it rains. A nice tent spot. And the girls' coloring spot for now. And we've got our fire pit over here. And the girls playing barbecue. Our bags are over here. Up that way is the bathroom and that big rock that we ate supper at last night. And then down to the lake this way.
Okay.
And the girls are playing throw the rocks into the lake, their favorite game to play.
Yeah, Dad.
Here's our hanging bag.
Dad, but I picked out a lot of pretty rocks.
Yeah?
So you can't throw the pretty rocks in.
Okay, we won't throw the pretty rocks in. And the girls are playing. So Mom and Dad are sitting here having our coffee. And we're just gonna let it roll until it doesn't work anymore. Because let's face it, they weren't getting along great earlier, but now they're getting along. So we're just gonna hang out and enjoy the lake for a little while. We got Mr. Loon over here that came to visit. Of course, I don't have my zoom lens when he comes to visit, but he's out here just hanging out, looking for fish.
Look at all the pretty rocks I found because they're all special.
Oh, those are nice, huh?
And then look at this one. Okay, so mine has black on the top, white, and red.
Oh, cool.
Brown.
Tell me about your rocks.
I got brown and black and white and pink.
Ooh, that's a pretty rock.
Oh, honey.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's pretty.
And they are all of them, okay?
Okay.
And red and green and rainbow.
And rainbow, a rainbow rock?
Cool, honey.
Cool.
And this is like black and white and
Black and white one.
and brown.
That one's pretty. Thanks for showing me your rocks. We got peanut butter pizzas.
And I fold it like a pizza.
Yeah. How's yours, Maggie?
Okay.
How's yours, Peanut?
Come.
Good.
Have a look at from my pizza bun. Yeah, pizza.
Apple Jacks Pop-Tarts for dessert. How are they?
Good.
They good?
Hey, wait, Dad, can I see my thing now? Okay, so these are the best cookies ever. And they kind of break easily.
Yeah.
They're so good.
Okay.
These are the best cookies ever. You should try them.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, I said it. These are the best cookies ever.
Alright, just out for a little paddle. The girls might take a little rest here. We're just gonna go explore now that it's a nice, beautiful day out. Found this little waterfall back here while we were paddling around. Just listen to that. Nothing. Except for this one. Sleeping kiddos. Maggie really likes to fight sleep, but she needed a nap today, so we're just out cruising, and then maybe we'll go for a little hike here. You enjoying your time, Mom?
I am. How about you?
I am. It is beautiful out here. There's very, very few people on this lake. Even though we're just base camping, it's still amazing. Tomorrow we might go portage over one lake just for fun, eat lunch and come back, but we'll see how the weather's doing. But for now, we're just gonna cruise and enjoy it. Well, we had a little rain delay, but we'll see if this passes here, and then maybe we'll go out for a hike. But we got rained down a little bit. That's all right. Everything in the boat is waterproof, and we'll dry. We got a little rain delay here.
We had some gummy bears.
You having gummy bears? Ooh.
The white, but I don't like the pistachio.
Oh, you don't?
But I guess only Grandma likes pistachio. I like all these.
You like all the nuts and
I'm thirsty.
all the trail mix?
I was done with the rain.
Yep, so roll the 2 dice that are not 5s. You get 2 more rolls and try and get all 5s.
We don't remember the points for Yahtzee, so we're making the points
Oh,
up.
or there you go. You got a full house.
But we're playing.
You
We're
should
playing
stick with that.
Yahtzee.
You should stick with the full house. And we'll say that's 4
Good
points.
job.
Okay, what is it again?
3.
Madalina's the scorekeeper over here. She's doing such a good job practicing her numbers. She wrote our letters for our names. Good job.
Good job, honey. Okay.
Your mama let her
Oh, look,
help
the
me.
sun's coming out.
Hi, Sunny. Hi, Sunny.
All right, here's our helper getting our food down. Oh, and it's gonna get taller than you. Oh! Daddy's got it. Oh, there we go. Can you catch the food?
Got it.
Get it. All right. Thank you.
Daddy.
A little wavier out here now. It's a good thing we're not out there. All right, we're gonna go throw rocks. All right, the little rock climber.
Pull up from that tree. Then you climb. Walk. Be careful though.
Well, it's supper time, and it's our favorite supper that we like to make out here. We got mac and cheese. Well, the girls play over here. What are you girls playing tonight? What are you playing?
Nature teacher, school.
Nature teacher school?
With these babies, and these are the big sisters. And I'm a grown up. Well,
Oh, yeah?
no, remember you're the. Do you want to be a teenager? No, I'm going to be a grown up. So I can change into a grown up, okay? Okay.
The girls play over there. We relax over here. For a little bit anyways. It's kind of nice. Every once in a while we get these moments between the chaos.
Walk carefully, but not like okay?
Good job, Pickles.
Then you jump. Go, cut, cut. Go,
Wow, good job. Sissy showed you how to get down?
Yep.
Good
She
job.
learned from me.
Alright, time to eat supper.
That's it. I'm gonna go.
A little mac and cheese by the lake. How's the mac and cheese?
Good.
Good?
Yeah, but
Mom, how's the mac and cheese?
Delicious.
I'll tell you something.
Okay.
But Sissy showed me something on the rock, okay?
Sissy showed you how to get down from the rock. Yeah, that was so nice of her.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And I said, Papa, go jump.
Yeah, and you were cheering her on.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, good
I
job.
just had to show her one more time to remind.
Yeah. You're giving piggyback rides or what? Well, we might actually get a sunset tonight. We'll see. But for now, we're just sitting here enjoying it, and the girls are throwing rocks again. At least we get a little time. Just sit and enjoy this beautiful spot.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Another beautiful morning in the Boundary Waters. We'll see what today holds. We might go over to another lake, but for now we're just gonna have some breakfast and some coffee and just enjoy the morning for a little bit. Good morning, kiddo. How did you sleep?
Good.
Good. What did you say you are?
Hungry.
You're hungry? Are you hungry all the time? Yeah. Alright, let's make some breakfast. Alright.
First, Rosie, the food bag down.
Oh yeah, we gotta get the food bag down. Apparently we got a chicken by the water today. 2 chickens? Oh goodness. How's your breakfast? Chickens? Buck. How's your breakfast, Mom?
Good. Delicious.
Say bog.
Bok.
We share what we
Teamwork. We got a long ways to go.
got a long way.
Good job.
I'm Mrs. Moon.
Off we go on an adventure. Goodbye, campsite. We'll be back. Go see what kind of adventure we can find today. Go for a little hike, maybe to a different lake. We'll see.
We can hear some noise, Daddy.
Yeah, look, we got a loon hanging out right by a canoe.
He just looked at
He's
me.
talking to you. Was that cool?
Yeah.
We saw some loons. You gonna say bye to the loons?
Bye bye, loonies.
Bye bye.
Bye, loons. Bye bye, the bear. Little woman, grow back to my home. And then I go.
Wiggly, volume down too. Like a ladder.
What I do? I
Never a dull moment. Wouldn't change it for the world, though.
The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
The girls have some fruit snacks, and we found our portage over to Alpine Lake. Time for another adventure.
Bye.
Well, made the canoe portage over. Didn't get any footage of it because I couldn't reach the GoPro, but it's over there. Time to go back and get the kids. It's only a 0.3 mile portage, so it's not really that bad. But it's fun. Trying something new with the kids. Next year maybe we'll portage with all the gear, but it's good just to have a nice little day trip and some lunch over here. Maybe we'll find a waterfall. All right, here we go. Up the portage we go. Good job. Big steps. Good job, kiddos.
I'm trying to get big.
Good job, Peanut. It is pretty, isn't it? Careful.
So pretty here, guys.
It is. Good job, Pickles.
Back on the light. Back on the light.
Oh,
Okay.
you okay?
Yeah.
Look at the lake. Another lake. Did you make it, Maggie?
Yeah, but I'm sweaty.
You're sweaty. Good job.
But how do we have to put our life jackets on and go all the way over
Then
there?
we'll go find a spot for lunch.
Okay.
No, I guess
Hey,
we'll.
wait, Daddy, can you
It's
do
a little
that to
cold
me
out for swimming.
1 second? Why is my hair white?
You checking your hair?
Is my hair white?
Yeah, just leave it.
Yep, it looks good.
It's white?
No, it's fine.
No, it's white.
You're checking your hair? What did you guys find over there?
Garbage.
Garbage,
Give
okay.
it to me, Papa.
You
Show
better
it.
pick it up.
Yeah, we can
Show
probably
it
empty
later.
We'll go empty it
That
in the
was
grass
later.
and then-
Yeah, somebody.
Let
That's
me,
okay.
Papa,
We'll
let
get
me-
it.
They probably
Hold
just dropped
still.
it in
Let me
here, but
take-
They didn't do it on purpose.
Hold still.
We made it to Alpine Lake. Now to find a good spot to eat lunch. Maybe we'll explore here a little bit
Hit the motor. Hit the motor.
and see what we can find.
No, this is mine. Ready? Do the motor. Motor. It's running out of gas. It's running out of gas. Ah, it's too. Where's the sail? Hold the sail, baby. Hold the sail, baby. Boom, boom, boom,
Are you
boom.
putting the sails up, girls?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, because it's too heavy.
Okay.
But no, I want to do it because the wind has.
Found a nice spot for lunch here. The girls are already exploring the campsite.
Come on.
Okay, I'm coming.
Daddy, do you want to climb up with us?
Yeah. All right, where are we going?
We're going over here. This way. It's epic here.
Whoa, this is a nice campsite.
Can we play here?
Yeah, we can play here. Yeah, next time we might have to stay here, huh? This is
Epic.
nice.
It's epic over here.
Quite the lunch spot we've got here. Thankfully, the people that were portaging out said this site was open because they just left it, so said it'd be a good lunch spot. So it is.
They said that they just left it. And nobody was here.
Nutella and peanut butter. Delicious lunch. Another brief moment of relaxing. While they poke us. Ow, you.
Hey, you.
They were playing nicely. Hey, 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 hey. I'll poke you. Crazy kids.
Nothing, Mommy and Daddy. Nothing.
Ow.
Get up, bundle up.
Alright, they're gonna play. We're gonna go pack the canoe and maybe go find a waterfall. Alright. Off on another adventure.
Daddy, I'm helping you.
Good job, thank you.
Hey, Mom, look at this. Look it. I can steal it.
Good job.
I can move it. Papa, did you feel a species? Yeah, I did. Yeah. Look at more of it.
What are you guys doing? Catching fish?
Papa's doing the fishies.
Oh, okay, Popeye's catching fish, and then you're identifying them? What fish have you caught so far?
Papa, Pika, Lily, Pika, porcupine.
Porcupine?
Yeah. Shark head,
What kind of shark did you catch?
A watermelon hammerhead one.
Oh, you caught a rainbow shark?
And then we caught a rainbow fish.
A rainbow fish. Maggie.
And then there was 2 snowfish that we just...
Maggie, I'm trying to talk to Sissy.
Yeah. Did you hear all those, Dad? Daddy, did you hear all those?
Made it to another portage and a little waterfall here. We'll see if this is it or if there's anything else, and maybe go see the other lake, but we're just gonna keep our boat on this side, so it's pretty. Oh, and just had a bunch of leeches in my toes, so that was nice. At least it was me and not Carrie though, so she would have freaked out. Up the trail we go for a little adventure.
What size do you want it? What color do you want
Let's have their hiking
I can
sticks.
see the waterfall.
Oh, I can too. Let's go find it.
Guys, the more flowers.
More flowers.
Yeah.
Those are pretty.
Hey, wait, Dad, stop. We saw these at our campsite.
Oh yeah.
Mom, get over here. I'll go and get
A
Mom.
line of quartz coming through the rock.
Dad, you stay here.
That's pretty cool.
I'll get Mom. Time to discover new things.
All right, let's go. Here we go.
I'm first because I'm the queen.
All right, let's
I'm
go.
a queen too. so I
Okay,
get
2
to go
queens.
first.
Let's go.
She's the auntie queen and I'm the queen.
Oh boy. Girls, what did we find down here? A waterfall. Got the waterfall and Jasper Lake. It's another lake. Tell me about the waterfall. Was it cool? Did you like the waterfall? Yeah. Madalena, what did you think of the waterfall?
Cool.
What?
Awesome.
Awesome. It was pretty, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was awesome and pretty.
Yeah.
Awesome pretty.
All right, head back to the campsite through one portage and back to our campsite.
Okay.
All right, everybody say goodbye to the waterfall.
Goodbye, waterfall.
Goodbye,
Bye.
waterfall. Away we go. Back to Seagull. All right, canoe is over. Now to head back and see how far along they are and help Carrie grab a few things. Man, it's gorgeous up here. How did it take me 35 years, 36 years, man? I don't even know how old I am anymore. How did it take me that long to get up here? Just be careful of the leeches. I hear some noise. Must mean we're close to kids.
Knock it off.
All right, we're almost there. All right, back to the campsite we go.
We're gonna maybe stand this video of you paddling.
Oh, thanks, kiddo.
It's still ready. We are going back to our campsite. Let's go!
I see it. There's our campsite right there. And we made it.
There, and I'll get
Now is it snack time?
Yeah, for me. We're having bugs.
Having bugs? We're gonna eat bugs for supper?
Yeah.
Oh, bugs. Fruit snacks. You're not having real bugs?
I'm a bug. With it.
Silly. Made it back just in time. It started raining a little bit, so we're having a little Yahtzee time and peanuts drawn over there.
It's a game.
A dice game. What'd you get, Maggie?
Yahtzee.
Yahtzee! Good job. Alright, the sun came back out, so we're playing a little go fish. And waiting for our water to boil, and then it'll be supper time. Alright, our last night, our last supper by the water. Are you girls having fun?
Yeah, we're in the zone.
What was your favorite part of today?
I'm going on a hike.
Going on the hike?
It's hard to choose.
Yeah, there was a lot of fun things today, wasn't there?
But not the alley part. That wasn't my fun part. I need camping trip. I like the camping trip, right?
Yeah, it was a good camping trip, wasn't it?
I was going to go home.
Yeah, we're gonna go home tomorrow, sadly.
What was Daddy's favorite part of the trip?
Mommy
Dad's favorite part was today. It was a lot of fun. Portaging over, doing a little hike, seeing a nice waterfall.
Me too.
Yeah, it was beautiful today.
Everything.
Wait, do that again, Maggie. What did you say?
I love everything.
You love everything? Yeah.
But except the alley part.
Except the alley part.
Yeah, I like the alley part. You like the alley part? Yeah.
Oh, way up there?
Take a picture.
I can't reach that far. There's a geese, flock of geese way up there. Let's see if it adjusts.
Mom, there's a geese over here. Take a picture.
Oh, they're right up there. You can't really see them.
Can you take a picture?
I can't really see them.
Mom, this. Look at. This is fun, right, Bob? The caterpillar.
Oh, a caterpillar?
I mean, baby bear's bed was just right. She fell asleep. Anyway, the bears came home. They went to the table, and then Daddy Bear said, "Who's been eating out my porridge?"
Kids are asleep, so we're just waiting on our creme brulee and having some apple cider and watching the stars come out
For an early anniversary celebration.
Early anniversary celebration. Love you.
Love you.
All right, last morning in the Boundary Waters. It's been a great trip. Girls, have you had fun?
Yeah. It was hard to decide, but the alley part was not fun.
Yeah.
But I love everything.
Yeah, you had lots of fun.
Yeah, I had that.
Yeah, Daddy really enjoyed it. Daddy doesn't know why it took him 36 years to come up here. It is beautiful. Okay, ready? Wow, good
And
throw.
now, look
Now
at
Peanuts
Peanut.
throw. Whoa. Good job.
Ready?
Good job, girls.
Put it down some more. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Yeah, now we can take it all the way down. Ready? Peanut, you gonna pull the rest of the cord down? Here, grab the cord. Grab on top of it. Now pull it down.
The black and the yellow, because we're all done.
Pull. 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 Keep going.
Ready?
Keep going. Keep pulling. Hey, good job.
Yay!
I'm like a shotfish. Chicken. Bark, 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 bark. Don't worry, I can take this one. Bark.
One of their favorite breakfasts when out camping is dinosaur oatmeal.
And then I got sprinkle and dinosaur oatmeal. And I got sprinkle and dinosaur
You
oatmeal.
got sprinkles and dinosaur oatmeal?
Mm-hmm.
Yummy.
I accidentally spilled some, but then now I got sprinkle and dinosaur oatmeal. Whoop, whoop.
Whoop.
And I wanted to open it by myself, but I found the line.
Yeah, you tried. Good try. That's okay. Clean up on aisle 4, is that what she said?
Yeah. Clean up on aisle 4.
Alright, let's have some breakfast. Our little coffee helper this morning. Helping grind and pour the coffee in. Good job. Thank you. Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Helping grind some more beans for some more coffee. Good job, kiddos.
Free coffee today.
Last breakfast on the rock, kids. How was it?
Good.
Good. All right. Some people ask why you take kids camping. Well, why not? We've been camping with ours since they were 2 weeks old. So, I mean, they're kind of used to it by now and just kind of growing up that way. So, and we like taking them on adventures and they like going on these adventures. If they didn't, well, we probably wouldn't then. But they really like it and we enjoy taking them and experiencing new things with them. And Peanut wants to be a park ranger when she grows up right now, so that's kind of fun. So we go out to the interpretive center and she's learning about all the nature things. She's got her track books.
Daddy, I want to be a teacher.
And you want to be a teacher? Yeah. Because you guys play nature all the time, don't you?
Is that
Nature
the first,
teacher.
Yeah, that's the first new game I wanted to play.
Yeah.
That's the first new game I wanted to make up.
Because you guys like camping. Do you like camping?
Nah.
Are you sure?
Nah.
Do you like camping?
Yeah.
Yeah, you tell all your teachers about it and say you can't wait to go.
Maggie just likes saying no.
I like cabbage. Mommy,
Good job.
I told you.
Good job.
Thanks, Pickles.
Both of them have different patterns. So this one it has a different pattern. Then this one has a different pattern than the other one.
Oh, yeah,
Then if you look
right.
at this one, that one has a big different pattern.
Oh wow, we're identifying different leaves and different trees. Pretty cool. Yeah, we're just listening to all the grouse up here eat leaves off the trees.
Mommy,
baby
is
out?
that a dry bag?
It is. We're just finishing packing up here. Oh, it smells like fall. It smells so good out here. Don't want to go home, but we got to go to work tomorrow, unfortunately.
Why do I have
You gotta
school
go to
tomorrow?
school. I know. Up the hill one more time, make sure we got everything. It's a beautiful sight. Definitely gonna mark this one. Check up here one last time and enjoy the view for one last moment.
Yeah, Dad, it's not funny.
Mommy's got a leash.
Mommy's got lots of little ones. Say bye,
Say bye, campsite.
Bye,
Say thanks for a fun trip, Boundary Waters.
Thank you for fun trip on Boundary Waters.
See you next time.
See you next time.
All loaded up, ready to go.
Yeah.
Sadly I have to leave, but it's time. It's time. All right. Bye, campsite.
Bye, campsite. See you tomorrow. I'm gonna come back later. Ah.
Oh, pickles. Look at that. Look at those palisades. Look at those tall rocks. Isn't that pretty, girls?
That looks like apple pie.
Apple pie.
Yeah.
You're a goofball.
Apple pie.
I could too.
Should we find some pie girls in Grandma Ray rather than ice cream?
Yeah, see the nose, eye.
Oh, you see a face in the rock?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Somebody must have been here before us.
Yeah, a long, long time ago people came through here.
Have you ever seen the movie?
It's an in-flight movie. You two are silly. I'm gonna take a video of you two.
Daddy, can you turn it back to the normal way, please?
Oh, we're almost back.
That's exciting. It's exciting, right? It's exciting.
I don't want to go home. Well, we made it back.
And we were quiet, so can we get stuff? We can see what I want.
Where are we going, Megs? Where? Dad, where are we going?
Grand Marais.